Your student card is also your printing card, but before you start, you'll need to add a PIN. To add a PIN, swipe your card in one of our printers and make up a 4-digit number on the keypad. Next, you'll need to add credit to your card, which you can do online or in person at Wollongong. To add credit online, log into your account using your SOLS username and PIN, then follow the prompts. You can also manage your account, change your PIN or check your credit, but you must be logged in on a UOW campus computer. Once you're ready to print, select Print on any library computer. Adjust the setting as needed. The default is black and white and double-sided, so make sure you check the settings before printing. Enter your SOLS details and click OK. Go to any library printer and swipe your card. Enter your PIN, then select the documents you need and press the Print button.